And Hosea seemed to think is out there just waiting to be stolen. Why?
I got something.
Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to download Red Dead Redemption 2. So without wasting your time, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to web browser and in the search bar type Steam. Then tap on the first link that appears. You will land on this page. Click on Install Steam in the top right corner of the screen. Then click on Install Steam again. And once the Steam is downloaded, you can just simply open it right away after installing it. Once you open your Steam, what you need to do is type Red Dead Redemption 2 in the search bar. Then scroll down and here you can purchase the game. You can also buy the Ultra Edition. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.